Hi, I'm Dr. Siddhartha Nithan. Welcome to SportsMed Doctor. I know it's been a little bit long time since I put out a video on any videos out there. Basically, I was planning to do a video on the the sports medicine counseling, which is going to happen with PG NEET and the seat matrix. But unfortunately, due to the reservation case, they have not yet released the seat matrix, and hence I was not being able to put out any video. But I'll be putting out some other videos in between. So today's video, I thought I'll be speaking about the T20 World Cup and the injury on Jason Roy, the English opener, who has been replaced due to injury. So let's get into Jason Roy. Jason Roy is a South African-born English cricketer, and he has played multiple T20 leagues all around the world, from Pakistan Premier League to the IPL. For the last IPL, he played for the Sunrisers Hyderabad. An important tidbit which you can say is that he was the first batsman to get given out for obstructing the field in an international T20 match. So that's quite interesting to see. So let's get into the injury. So this injury occurred during the match in the World Cup against South Africa, while he was on the non-strikers end, as you can see in the video. So what happened is that the batsman hit for a single run, and they were going to run for a single when he immediately pulled his calf or leg, and he started hopping towards the strikers end, as you can see in the video, and immediately he lies down in pain. So immediately when you see such an injury, you immediately think an Achilles injury or some other lower limb injury, which hamstring injury, which has occurred. This occurred during acceleration. So when he was accelerating, immediately something has occurred, and immediately the team physio and the team doctor comes, examines him, and then they sub him off because he cannot continue for the match. And immediately you see him at the end of the match on crutches so that they don't load the leg, and he had gone for an MRI. Now the exact findings of the MRI, I'm not privy to it because it's private detail, but what has been released is that he has had a calf tear on his left leg, and hence he's out for the match. So let's go a little bit into what calf injury is and what it is. So the calf muscle is basically two major muscles. You have heard of the gastrocnemius and the soleus. The outer two muscles is the gastrocnemius, while the inside big thick muscle is the soleus. And both of these muscles join together to form the Achilles tendon. Now let's get into what is the injury based on. So if you take any muscle, always we divide it into three grades of injury. So you've got the grade 1, the grade 2 and the grade 3. Now for the grade 1 injury, basically it's a small tear and very micro tears, and it's called as a strain. So grade 1 is called as a strain, while grade 2 is more of a partial tear where there is actual tear of the muscles, while grade 3 is a complete tear where the muscle is completely torn. So in his case, in Jason Roy's case, it's either a grade 2 or grade 3 injury which has occurred. Now, how do we manage such cases? So let me before going to management, let me go into the mechanism of injury. So the mechanism of injury is usually due to acceleration. So sudden acceleration is what causes injury. Another method of most commonly injured is due to sudden change in direction. So that's why you see this in footballers or basketballers. You see this quite a lot because of the sudden change in direction. They get a lot of calf injuries. Now in his case, as you can see in the video, it was due to the sudden acceleration he injured himself. Now how do we manage it? Usually grade 1 conservative, grade 2 is also conservative, while grade 3 is usually surgical because it's a complete tear. We need to get a faster recovery, you might require surgery. Now in his case, it's either a grade 2 or a grade 3 injury, because grade 1 injury usually takes around 3 to 4 days to 1 week maximum to get back into normal, while grade 2 injury takes almost up to 4 to 6 weeks for you to get back to normal, while grade 3, if surgery is done, at least up to 6 months. Now because he's grade 2 to grade 3, whatever said and done, more than 4 weeks is out, so definitely he cannot participate in the World Cup, and he's already been replaced by another, and this is a big loss for the English team, unfortunately. And I'm sure when they play against New Zealand, the time when I record this video, and I think by the time I put it out already, I think it would have reached the finals. So it would be very difficult for England to win the match without major of their teams injured. So and to lose him when he's in form is quite a big loss for the England team. And hopefully he will get back to normal, because what was said and done, it's not a big major injury which will retire you from the match, from the game. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you've got any doubts as to any such videos, or any doubts on anything to do with sports medicine, please do comment below. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching once again. See you till next time. Bye.